Algebra is a math tool that we can use to solve real-world problems. And we do that by using letters to substitute for real numbers. For example, if Ava wanted to buy a combination of pizzas with the smalls being $5, mediums being $8, and large being $10, we could use algebra to make a math problem out of this. So if the large pizzas are $10, let's let the letter L be the number of large pizzas that she buys. And then $8 times let's let M be the amount of medium pizzas that she buys. And then let's let S be the amount of small pizzas that she buys. And so with this expression here, an expression is just a collection of all of this. What we can do is we can calculate the amount of money she will spend no matter what combination she ends up buying. So let's say if she wanted to buy 5 large pizzas, 2 medium pizzas, and 10 small pizzas. Well, if she wanted to buy 5 large pizzas, we could just plug in the 5 to the large. And then if we wanted to add, or if we wanted to get how many 5 medium pizzas, let's just say. If she wanted to get 5 medium pizzas and 10 small pizzas, this gives us the amount of money she will need to spend. And so this is why algebra is useful. But in this lesson, we're just going to learn how to take an expression like this one with the variables. The variables is another name for the letters. And we're going to learn how to do what I did here, which is just plug in the given values. So let's see the next example. In this example, we are asked to substitute. So what that means is they have given us these values for x and y, and we just need to replace the x and y here with the values that they've given us. So if our x is equal to 5, that means that we can just rewrite this expression as 3 times our x value that they've given us, which is 5, and then plus 4 times our y value that they gave us. And once again, if you see a variable by a number with no symbol in between, that means times. Same with a number just right next to a parentheses, that always means times. So in your head, you can just know that. And so all we have to do now that we've plugged in our values is finish simplifying this expression. We have 3 times 5 is 15, and then we can do this one. 4 times 2 is 8. And then now we're just going to add them. So 15 plus 8 is 23. So that is our solution for this example. But let's do a few more. So in this example, we are asked to substitute again, and they've given us an expression which is 1/2 times x plus 3x plus 2y plus z minus 4z. So once again, these are just all multiplied by the variables, and they've also given us the value for the 3 variables. And so our step 1 is to just plug in or substitute these values for the variables in the expression. So we're just going to take 4 and replace all the x's with 4. We're going to take y and replace all the y's with 2. And we're going to take all the z's and replace all the z's with 3. So let's go ahead and do that. So for our x's, or over here, let's just go through our expression. We have 1/2 times our x value. What is our x value? It is 4 plus 3 times our x value. X value is 4. And then we have plus 2 times our y value. What is our y value? It's given to us here. Our y value is 2. And then we have plus z. We're going to replace z with 3. And then we have minus 4 times our z value. So once again, we're just going to replace z with 3. And so now that we've substituted all of the variables, we can just go ahead and keep simplifying this. So let's do all these little individual multiplication problems first. 1/2 times 4 is 2, plus 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 minus 4 times 3 is 12. And we can just add this all up. 2 plus 12 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 minus 12 gives us, let's use our calculators to double check this, 21 minus 12 gives us 9. And if you want to check this with your calculator, you can. I am going to double check it because I make mistakes. And it gives us 9. So 9 is our solution. Once again, the steps we took is we substituted all of the variables into their respective spots. And so we were left with this. From here, we did all the little multiplication problems first, and then after that, it was just a basic addition and subtraction problem, and that gave us our final solution for this example. So for this example, we can do the same thing. We're given an expression over here with x and y, and we're given also our values for x and y. So step 1 is going to be for us just to plug in these values to the variables. So we can write this as 4 times the square root of our x value, which is given to us over here. It's 16. And then we have minus 2 times our y value. What is our y value? Y value is 9. So if you remember how to take square roots, the square root of 16 is 4. So now we're just left with a problem like we've had in the last examples. 2 times, what's the square root of 9? Square root of 9 is 3. And so we can just do these multiplication problems. 4 times 4 is 16, minus 2 times 3 is 6. And then now we have a basic subtraction problem. 16 minus 6 is 10. And that is our solution for this example.
Hey guys, if this video has been helpful to you, click the link in the description to get access to the complete Easy STEM Algebra 1 system, which includes a textbook, homework, and all of the course videos in order.